Information communication technology has given us a powerful communication tool through which we can emerge many of our information and dissemination needs. About 2 decades back, we had only the mainstream media outlets for our society wide communication purposes, which are still mostly vertical, received the message in a top down model and in which we have limited options of participation. The ICT platform has revolutionized the way we communicate with one another as well as with society at large. Theoretically, we can call this platform as cyberspace. Cyberspace provides a horizontal model of communication and there is no hierarchy between the users. The user can access the information and at the same time, each user has the facility to communicate not just with friends or relatives or colleagues but to the entire globe. Such titanic changes in our communication platforms need to be understood academically. Through computer or mobile, we usually immerse ourselves in various activities, and the platform through which we are working and interacting is called cyberspace. The term is not a new one. It was coined way back in 1984 by the science fiction writer William Gibson in his novel Neuromancer. While explaining the new term cyberspace, Gibson stated that a consensual hallucination, a graphic representation of data abstracted from the back of every computer in the human system. Unthinkable complexity lines of light ranged in the non space of the mind, clusters, and constellations of data. The of ICT has created a platform for billions of people to gather and interact with each other. The core characteristics of fruitful interactions between humans and the primary component of cyberspace. One of the early scholars of cyberspace, Loader, in 1997 explains its unique features. A computer generated public domain which has no territorial boundaries or physical attributes and is in perpetual use. Its most potential manifestation is that metrics of electronic telecommunication and computer networks, usually referred to as the Internet, which links millions of people globally, which is growing at a rapid rate daily and is taking a new shape and direction as a consequence of the voluntary actions of its participants. It is claimed that it is not controlled by any single authority. Interactivity is an important element of new media. It eliminates the time barrier for a user to access the contents conveniently anytime, anywhere. The time shifting facility enhances a user's involvement in the online environment, and time becomes a crucial factor here. The virtual platform offers not only a multitude of topic areas but also the ability to participate at a convenient time. People from many time zones can participate in a decision and they have more control over their online experience, which allows them to participate at their convenience.